Hello everyone. Next we are taking a ponytail. We are going to loosen it up, applying this pin on our hair, and then we are going to pass it through one side, then taking the remaining hair, folding it out into this beautiful voluminous bun with the help of this black pin. Next we are going to take a clip and then applying it to our ponytail. Then we are going to fold it out into this low bun and then securing it with the same pin only. Next we are taking a pony and then folding it out, applying this pin at one side of it, then taking this all of the remaining hair, applying a rubber band and then folding it into a bun by using this pin on them. After that it is ready. Next we are taking a low pony using this flower pin on our hair, applying a rubber band at the bottom of our pony, folding it out into this low shape bun. Next we are taking a high ponytail and then by using this tool we are going to fold it from the front, as you can clearly see. After that we are going to take the remaining hair, applying a rubber band at the middle of the pony and then folding it into this beautiful puffed bun. Next we are going to take all of the hair and then by using our finger we are going to twist the hair around into a bun, then applying the spin at the last and your hairstyle is completed. Next we are going to take all of the hair, loosen it up, and we are going to fold all of the hair like this. After that we are going to apply a clip at last.